Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth Motor Cars. Today, showcasing 1970 Plymouth Cuda. This guy is a muscle car through and through. Check this out. This ain't no 440 underneath this hood, boys. This is a modern 6.1 HEMI with the classic Kenne Bell supercharger on here, man. This thing is a muscle car, definition textbook wise on here. This guy, badass to drive, man. Fast as hell, fun as hell, super cool car. Nothing crazy going on trick-wise, suspension, anything like that. I want to say we got coilovers in the front, disc brakes all the way around. But I mean, look at the paint on here. Black hood, black bumpers, black mirror, orange paint, Willwood disc brakes front and back on there with the staggered tire set up on here. Man, you want to talk about muscle car? This is a muscle car right here. Nice seats, Cuda, new door panels, new carpet, Dakota digital gauges. And you even got that nice B&M ratchet shifter on there, pretty cool. This guy does have quality of life features too that classic muscle cars wouldn't have. Does have vintage air on it, for example. That's pretty nice whenever you're driving down the road. Works great. Let me grab the keys real quick, open the trunk. Let's see here. Yeah, I know, right? Is it over there? Okay. And nope. Is it that one? Nope. Fuel. It's probably not that one. Is it this one?
Classics always have like.
Fucking Christ, bro. There we go. There we go. Now check it out in here, man. Dual subs in the back. Batteries relocated to the back too with a nice kill switch and a tender on here. Super cool setup. Small trunk, but I mean, you get what you get in a muscle car, man. This guy is just absolutely gorgeous in the sun. That black and orange paint on here. And there ain't nothing else but that supercharger whine, man. Let's go take it for a spin, and I want you guys to hear that blower go off. Let's go. Ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. You can spin the tires whenever you want in this. The seating position in this guy too is, you don't have that modern high seating where you're like this. I'm sitting low, looking over the hood scoop on this guy, which by the way, the hood scoop is fully functional on there. Nice cold air goes over the engine. Badass car, guys. I don't know if you could see it on camera. So all the gauges have been modernized too, so Dakota Digital, the best way to do it, as I always say, if you're using a modern powertrain, you got to do Dakota Digital on there. This guy, we did do a custom center console in here too, with the shifter kind of around it, with a nice double din head unit. It's got Bluetooth and obviously the dual tins in the back. Nice setup on here. Man, you can't do nothing but smile whenever you drive this car. This thing is nice. I'll do a little pull up here whenever we turn right. Let's see, how much gas we got? We got 50 pounds of oil pressure, 15 volts, quarter tank of gas. Perfect. This car will shit and get, I'll tell you what. I drove this thing home before, and this thing will cruise all day long, 70, 80 miles an hour on the highway. I forgot to mention too, it does have a 4-speed automatic in this. This guy doesn't have no 3-speed in here. It's got a modern 4-speed, so you can cruise on the highway all day. Fun is how I would describe this car. It's not so violent. It's definitely still drivable, but if you get into it, it moves. But it's not one to kill you the whole time like some of our cars are, you know?
You can do U-turn up here.
Yeah. tires are still cold, so it'll get sideways on you, but fun. There's nothing like that Kenne Bell blower, man. I feel like people are spoiled nowadays with the Hellcat superchargers. They whine like crazy. I grew up with these Kenne Bell blowers. It's a nice Ferrari. And man, they just whine like no other. I've always said the best intake manifold for your car is a belt-driven intake. And I still stand by that 15 years later. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this HEMI Cuda. Come in, take it for a spin, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.